Hey there. Welcome back to Money Moves Made Easy TV. If you're in your 30s or 40s and haven't started saving for retirement yet, don't worry, it's not too late. Starting in your 20s gives you a head start. Beginning in your 30s or even 40s still allows plenty of time to build a strong retirement fund. The key is to take strategic and consistent steps towards saving and investing, ensuring you have enough to enjoy a comfortable and stress-free retirement. The good news? You don't need to be a financial expert to secure your future. You just need a plan. Today, we're diving into actionable strategies to help you build your retirement fund and set yourself up for financial freedom. Let's get started. Why start now? The earlier you begin saving for retirement, the more time your money has to grow, which is a huge advantage. Starting now, even if you're in your 30s or 40s, provides you with the incredible benefit of compound interest, the process where your investment earnings generate additional earnings over time. This can significantly boost your retirement savings and help you accumulate wealth more quickly than you might expect. On the other hand, waiting longer to start saving means you may have to put aside a larger portion of your income each month to achieve the same retirement goal. This could be harder to manage and could potentially delay your financial plans. So, whether you're just beginning your retirement savings journey or trying to catch up, the key is to take action today. Every year you delay is a missed opportunity to maximize the power of compound interest and build a secure financial future for yourself. Assess your current situation. Before you start planning for retirement, it's essential to take a detailed and thorough look at your current financial situation. This involves evaluating your income, monthly expenses, and any savings or investments you may have. Understanding where you stand financially allows you to pinpoint areas where you can make adjustments or cut back in order to free up more funds for your retirement savings. You should also take a close look at any outstanding debts you may have, such as credit card balances, student loans, or mortgages, and think about how to manage or pay them off efficiently. High-interest debt, in particular, can be a significant obstacle to building wealth, so addressing it early on is crucial. By carefully assessing your current financial picture, you'll have a clearer understanding of how much you need to save for retirement and what specific changes you need to make in order to reach your retirement goals. Taking the time to evaluate your situation now sets the stage for a more successful and secure financial future. Take advantage of retirement accounts. One of the most effective and advantageous ways to grow your retirement savings is by taking full advantage of various retirement accounts, such as 401ks, IRAs, and ROTHIRAs. These accounts provide significant tax benefits, which can either help defer taxes until you reach retirement age or allow for tax-free withdrawals once you retire. A 401k plan, for instance, often comes with the added benefit of an employer match. If your employer offers a 401k match, make sure you're contributing enough to take full advantage of this benefit. It's essentially free money that can dramatically accelerate your savings growth over time. Additionally, if you're eligible for an IRA or Roth IRA, consider opening one of these accounts to further maximize your retirement savings potential. A traditional IRA allows for tax-deferred growth, while a Roth IRA lets your investments grow tax-free, offering flexibility depending on your situation. By utilizing these retirement accounts, you're putting yourself in a much stronger financial position to build long-term wealth, all while benefiting from significant tax advantages that will help you accumulate more money for your future. This strategic approach ensures that you're making the most of the tools available to you for a secure retirement. Invest wisely. Investing is one of the most important factors in growing your retirement fund, but it's essential to make smart, informed decisions to maximize your returns and minimize risks. A key strategy to reduce the risk of losing money while allowing for potential growth is diversifying your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. This diversification helps spread risk and ensures that a downturn in one area of the market doesn't significantly affect your overall portfolio. As you move closer to retirement, it's crucial to review and adjust your investment strategy to include more stable, low-risk assets, such as bonds or dividend-paying stocks, to protect your savings and preserve your wealth. At the same time, you should always keep your long-term retirement goals in mind, remembering that successful investing isn't about chasing quick, short-term gains, but rather about consistent, steady growth over time. It's also helpful to seek professional guidance from a financial advisor who can offer personalized advice based on your unique financial situation and retirement objectives. Alternatively, investing in low-cost index funds that track the broader market can be an excellent option for long-term investors. These funds offer diversification and tend to have lower fees, ensuring that more of your money is working for you. By making well-thought-out investment decisions and staying focused on your retirement goals, you can build a strong, sustainable retirement fund. Increase your savings over time. As your income grows or your financial situation improves, it's essential to make it a priority to gradually increase the amount you're saving for retirement. Even small, consistent increases in your savings rate can have a significant impact over time, thanks to the power of compound interest, which allows your money to grow exponentially. Aim to save at least 15% of your income for retirement, but don't be discouraged if you can't start with that amount. Begin with what you can afford, and as your financial situation improves, whether it's through a salary increase, a bonus, or paying off debt, aim to increase your savings contributions whenever possible. One great way to ensure that you're consistently saving is by automating your retirement contributions. So, the money is taken out of your account before you even have the chance to spend it. This way, you can continue to prioritize your future without having to actively think about it each month. Building the habit of saving more over time, regardless of how much you start with, is key to securing a comfortable and financially independent retirement in the long run. The more you contribute today, the more you'll have when you need it the most. Avoid common pitfalls. When planning for retirement, it's important to avoid common mistakes that could derail your progress. One of the biggest pitfalls is not starting early enough. Delaying savings can mean missing out on the benefits of compound growth. Another mistake is underestimating how much you'll need in retirement, which can lead to inadequate savings. It's also crucial to resist the temptation to dip into your retirement funds for non-retirement expenses. Lastly, failing to adjust your investment strategy as you get older can expose you to unnecessary risk. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who could use a little financial inspiration. Your support helps us reach more people and spread valuable financial advice. Check the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Stay financially smart and motivated.